channel. Here in this video I will be doing a tutorial on how I did these nails. Here as you can see, I'm going in with my Young Nails Protein Bond, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and also don't forget to turn on the bell so you get notified every time I upload. So here in this finger, on the pointer finger, I will be doing a marble nail, and I'm just using my clear and my white from Mia's Secret. I will also be linking down all the items I use down below in the description. So if you guys want to know how I do my marble, make sure to go check out my video on how I marble. I will have a link down below in the description. So here as you can see, I'm just going in and doing a marble on this finger, and we're doing the same design on each hand. So everything that I do on this hand, I will also be doing on the other hand. And I'm just obviously recording one hand. So then here in this middle finger, I will be doing an ombre. I'm going in with my Mia's Secret white, and I will be doing an ombre on my client's middle finger and pinky. And I'm going in with my Mia's Secret white and my Mia's Secret Cover Nude blush. And then here I'm going in with my Mia Secret Clear, and I'm adding a bead of clear so I can encapsulate my ombre. And the reason I'm doing this is so when I'm filing my client's nail, I do not file any of my ombre off, and I will be adding clear to the middle finger and pinky. I will be also encapsulating my marble, so when I am filing, I do not file any of it off. Then here I'm going in with this glitter, and it is from Glam & Glit, and it is called Blue Rain. And I'm going in and applying this to the ring finger and just applying it to the whole nail. And I will be doing the same to the thumb. And then I will be going in and encapsulating my glitter, so when I'm filing, I do not file any of the glitter off, and I will be doing this to the ring finger and the thumb. After you're done filing, here I'm going in with my Bling adhesive, and on the pinky I will be applying 2 crystals, and they are SS10s on top of each other. In the middle here you will see I'm turning my client's hand just to make sure that they're nice and straight and even. And then moving on to the ring finger, I will be going in and adding some crystals around the cuticle area. In the middle I'm going in with the SS10, and then I will be adding 3 crystals to each side of SS6. So then here in the middle finger, I will be adding a rhombus, and I will also be adding 3 crystals on top and bottom, just like how I did my birthday nails. So if you guys want to see how I added my bling, make sure to go watch my IGTV video on Instagram, and make sure to follow me on Instagram. It will be linked down below. And I'm going in with the rhombus in the middle, and here as you can see, I'm turning my client's hand just to make sure that it's nice and even and straight. And I will be going in with the SS10, SS6, and a SS4 on top and bottom. The same thing I did to the ring finger, I will be doing to the pointer finger. I'm going in with the SS10, and then around I will be adding 3 crystals on each side of SS6. Here on the thumb, I will be going in with the SS12 on these two, and then this last crystal I'm applying, it is a SS10, and I'm just applying like a little triangle shape looking design. I'm not sure, but here I'm going in with my IBD gel top coat, and I will be applying this to all the nails. And here, as you can see, I am going in and curing for 60 seconds. And here then I will be applying some cuticle oil. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. And make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And see you guys in the next video.